So it's day 2 and we will be drawing a caterpillar today. We'll be using 2 shades of green for the color. So first, let's start with a sketch of a cross, which is the blue line. Then we're going to sketch a circle. Use short, light lines. If you refer the drawing guide, you'll see that it's actually 2/3 of a circle, and then I flattened the bottom, like a curved flat on the bottom, and I erased the bottom part of the circle so it would make a face. The second and the third segments are just like a half of a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. It would look nicer if it is uneven. So let's do that right now. Also, another tip is that the third segment starts close to the blue line, so you could refer to that. And then let's move to the fourth segment, which has a tiny leg. And then the fifth segment, which has another tiny leg. And then lastly, we're going to draw the last segment, which is the tail. And now we will draw the antenna, which is a curved line with a circle tip. And then we will draw the face, which is close to the mouth to make it look cute. And then we will start with the legs. The position of the caterpillar really depends on the outline that you made, the blue line. If mine was leaning a little bit diagonally or horizontally, so it's a little bit flatter, but if you look at the diagram, it's leaning upward, so there's more curve on the caterpillar. Now we're gonna outline the caterpillar, which is easy. Just follow what I'm doing right now. And then thicker outlines for the outside lines, and then thinner lines for the eyes and the mouth. Now we're gonna color. I'm using a bright green, really bright green. It's brighter than the ones in the picture, but you could use any kind of green that you like. So I'm using a bright green for the antenna and the body, and then I'm just shading some of the parts below the belly and the face that is away from the light source. I'm coloring it with a darker shade of green, or you could even use a gray color for it. So that would be all for day 2. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope to see you tomorrow. We will be drawing a butterfly.